Sakto sa weekend, showing na today ang Season 3 ng hit K-drama series na Squid Game. Pero bago yan, nakachikahan ng News 5 ang ilang cast nito na nakaranas daw ng matinding sepangs. Nasa frontline na balitang yan si MJ Marfori, exclusive.
Yonggi at Cholsu, jump rope tapatan in Thailand. Mga pink at black na kabaok sa BGC. At activation site din. May pag-games pa sa South Korea at Parade of Stars. Aba, Squid Game finale fever is so on talaga. Kung ang mega fans nagsisimula na ang sepangs o separation anxiety, lalo naman ang cast na eksklusibong nakachikahan ng News 5. Si Papa Wee Ha-jun nga, as Detective Jung Ho, hindi malilimutan ang last day ng shooting.
그냥 기뻤습니다.
Joyed. First of all, I was happy because it was over. I felt relief as well. And now that we are, waiting for the last season release, today we're having the press conference and now we're holding this interview together as well. And this leaves me with a sense of maybe a bit of sadness, and I feel like I'm sorry to let this go because I've been with this project for so long.
Ilan sa minahal na Squid Game characters ay sina idol-turned-actor player 222 Jo Yuri at si Yim Si-wan.
So the biggest learning came from witnessing and the acting of experienced fellow actors and actresses on site. And I think I had an opportunity to become more mature not only as an actress but as a person.
At para nga sa cast, ang nabuo nilang bonding will live on forever. Napapanood na ang Squid Game finale sa Netflix. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jania Lipon po, laging maging updated sa latest sa entertainment and lifestyle para maging una sa balitaan. Bisitahin at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.